welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalisa Live a Life, and I'm back with another video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Right now, people, I'm doing curry crab. So I've seasoned up the crab already. I add my onion and Irish potato, carrot, and my powder seasoning. This is my natural garlic. I'm gonna add it to the pot. Okay, so right here I have the oil. I'm gonna add the garlic to it. Next I'm gonna add the curry, and then I'll add the so now I'm adding the crab seasoning. Okay, so this is the crab. I'm gonna stir it, and then I'm gonna add water to the pot. So I'm gonna cover it. And then allow it to cook. This is so pretty. I'm gonna add the water to it now. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm just gonna cover the pot and leave it to cook. Okay, so it's boiling right now, it's cooking. So I'm just gonna cover the pot and let it do what it's doing. Okay, people, this is how it's looking. And I'm also cooking some white rice with some butter in it. Okay, so that is cooking, and this is also cooking. I'm gonna leave it, let it cook, so I'll catch you back. Okay people, so this is my finished product. Check that out. Curry crab, and white rice. Check that out. Beautiful. People, the camera now work well for me. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Mom is gonna try my crab for the first curry crab for the first time. I rice your taste first. Just bite one eye crab there, I tell you, cause she mix up with something. Eat the rice out of your mouth first now.
It's gone already.
Oh, it's swallow already. Just bite the crab. Quite juicy. Look how it run. What it taste?
I eat crab.
How it taste?
It tastes good.
Ah! They say crab tastes good. Oh, you not eat the meat inside, yes.
Meat inside?
So what you think you da eat?
The bone.
People shall eat crab for the first time. She don't know how to eat it. She don't know that about crab. We have to go for a plate. You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Tell the people honestly how it tastes.
It tastes great.
She
Tastes
said it.
great.
Okay. Yes, people, so me I go eat mine now. Me never get enough because used to crab, so
Can I go for one plate?
yeah. So I'm gonna eat now.